कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
पेपर फुटीच्या प्रकरणात कसलेच तथ्य ना गोंय विद्यापीठात अशें कितें जावंकूच ना जे आरोप जाल्यात ते पुरायेन चुकीचे आसात। ह्या प्रकरणाक लागून त्या प्राध्यापकाक तात्पुरतो निलंबित केला। ह्या प्रकरणाची चौकशी करपा खातीर फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटी स्थापन केल्या। ही कमिटी फुडल्या 48 वरांनी अहवाल दितली आणि ते उपरांत कार्यकारी समिती योग्य तो निर्णय घेतली अशें गोंय विद्यापीठाचो कुलगुरू हरिलाल मेनन सांगता। गोंय विद्यापीठाच्या पेपर फुटीच्या प्रकरणात काशीनाथ शेट्ये सयत हेर 7 जाणांनी त्या प्राध्यापका आड आक्षेप पुलिशेंत कागाळ करून कारवायेची मागणी केली। तशेंच अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद, NSUI आणि गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या विद्यार्थी पंगडानूय आक्रमक भूमिका घेतिल्ली। हे फाटभुंयेर गोंय विद्यापीठाचो कुलगुरू हरिलाल मेनन हांणी पत्रकार परिशद घेवन सगळे आरोप भायर आयले। ताच्या कोतान प्राध्यापकाचेर जाल्ले आरोप पुरायेन चुकीचे आसात। गोंय विद्यापीठात असलो प्रकारूच घडूंक नाशिल्ल्याचो दावो मेनन हांणी केला। आरोपांचे फाटभुंयेर त्या प्राध्यापकाक तात्पुरतो निलंबित केला। ह्या प्रकरणाची चौकशी करपा खातीर फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटी स्थापन केल्या। ही कमिटी फुडल्या 48 वरांनी अहवाल दितली आणि ते उपरांत कार्यकारी समिती योग्य तो निर्णय घेतली अशेंय तांचें म्हणणें।
And also from any of the faculty from the same school, there is no report that the question paper has been leaked. Because we conducted, as per university rule, there is ISA, internal examination. So internal examination is conducted by the concerned teacher. So there is absolutely no complaint from any of the teachers that this has happened. Rather, he has entered into one cabin without the permission of that teacher. Means whomever has been allowed to that cabin. So with respect to that, that teacher asked and he said, I will be entered. And I entered there basically to take a chemical for the experiment. So this is what happened. But again, what we did is that because to clear this, all the confusion, today morning, as per the discussion with the, dean and the registrar, a fact-finding committee has been constituted, 2-member committee, and they have been asked to submit the report within 48 hours. And if you find that there is some substance in that, further action will be taken. We also have the executive council, and this report, on this basis, because there is some substantial evidence that something has gone wrong, then definitely we will go ahead and see to it that disciplinary committee has been considered. Those committee will look into that in detail as per legal proceedings. So this is, what has been done on the basis of this news item. In fact, till then I tell you that as a Vice Chancellor, I have not received any complaint from any faculty member that question paper has been leaked. That absolutely, from where this has gone to the paper, I do not know. No complaint has received. If had there been any complaint, the inquiry would have been initiated. Now, because the paper says this, a fact-finding committee has been constituted, and the committee will go through that in detail.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.